Hello viewers and welcome to Samuel Mwenda channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a shoe repair needle. Welcome.
This is a small frame. This is a thin frame. It was used for some other purposes, and today I'm going to recycle it. I'm going to reuse it. So I need to remove those hinges so that the shoe repair needle's handle will be comfortable in the hands of the one who will be using it. Therefore, I'm using a panga to remove those hinges. And the nail is removed. After that, some more smoothing using a panga. We need to continue smoothing that handle using a sandpaper. It's a sandpaper to smoothen those edges. Therefore, this is our needle. It's a wire. A spoke from a bicycle rim. We need to look at the one that will fit well. The one that will fit well. I have several there. I need to look at them. We need to get the correct measurement, and therefore we need to cut that wire because it's too long. That is the right size, and therefore we need to drive it into that handle. We need to drive it using something heavy like the hammer or like the pliers that I'm using there. And now it's right into the handle. Therefore we need now to reduce the size of that handle so that it will be easier to use. Therefore we cut using the hacksaw. Some more smoothing using the sandpaper, and after that we are going to hammer the end of that needle, flatten the ends so that we'll be having a broad hand whereby we can be able to cut the hook. Therefore the hand, we have flattened that hand, you can see. Now we need to make a hook. We will make a hook using a hacksaw. Make a hook using the hacksaw. After making that hook, you can see the hook there. Now we need to sharpen. We need to sharpen the needle using the file, and then remove the rust using the sandpaper. That sandpaper to get a smooth surface. can see now we are going on well. That is the hook. You can see the needle, it's already done. The hook is there, the one that will be used to be able to get the shoe repair strings, the shoe repair threads. You can see, let us try on this paper. It is able to pierce through. Then the hook is able to get the string. You can see that the thread is coming out.